case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1991, the dispute between the Wilsons and the co-conservators of Quigley Sr. sprouted in a courtroom, captivating the attention of the Iowa Court of Appeals. The case, known as Quigley v. Wilson, highlighted the fine lines of legal contracts and negotiation principles with the question of consideration. The idea that a change to an agreement requires something in return, simmering at its core. The matter was further complicated by the notion that some elements of a case revolving around fairness might warrant separation for a jury decision. The legal battle traced back to 1980 when the Wilsons purchased a farm from Quigley Sr. on a contract. The bumpy road of financial difficulties disrupted their payment plan, leading to them return the farm. Fast forward to 1986, and a new agreement materialized, this time with a reduced price. The Wilsons managed to settle their debt completely. However, 2 years later, the financial peace was disrupted when Quigley Sr. enforced a voluntary conservatorship and unleashed a lawsuit against the Wilsons. The charges were severe: default on the 1980 contract and a 1986 agreement that, according to the co-conservators, lacked consideration. The court didn't share the co-conservators' view. Declaring the 1986 agreement valid, the court trailed the matter down the path of a fraud and undue influence trial. The Wilsons emerged from the battle vanquished. Unrelenting, the co-conservators appealed, the bone of contention being that the jury should have had a say in the lack of consideration and that they were owed a jury trial on matters beyond purely legal issues. Despite their earnest plea, the Iowa Supreme Court sided with the Wilsons. The 1986 agreement was upheld as valid, set in stone by negotiations and other inherent factors. The court endorsed the decision to sift through the legal and equitable claims of the plaintiffs separately and shot down their plea for a jury trial on equitable issues. The case underscored the importance of clarity in contractual obligations and respect for legal proceedings, tied together in the complex knots of legal and equitable justice that keep the spirit of lawful society alive and honored.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.